So this is my waste oil furnace. I've got it running at a low setting. There's the fuel and there's the blower. Everything's cranked down, the airflow and the fuel, but I'll adjust the air now. As you can see, the flame is starting to get a lot leaner. When increasing the air, you need to increase the fuel as well. Just demonstrating the throttle of it. Obviously I've turned the air back to low. This is close up of the preheater then. Small flame there, but when you put the lid on the furnace, that flame then it's a lot bigger.